Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio. I am doing a flip through of Kit 3 of my Summer's Bounty digital kit series. This one is of the Embellishments, Ephemera, and Fussy Cuts. There are 5 kits in total that all work together, or they can be used as standalones, and you can find the links to the other kits in the description box below this listing. So this is kit 3. It's huge, of course, and it is 33 pages, and it goes beautifully with the journaling pages of this kit in kit 1. Okay, so we have this journal belongs to labels. Super cool library pocket and library card. It says Summer's Bounty ticket. And then, of course, we have to have numbers and other labels. And there we go. Tabs and labels, garden notes in the reds, and then again in the greens. Really pretty envelope with a journaling card. A couple of cool tickets. These are journaling cards. And there's 5 recipe cards in here, and yes, they are real recipes. There's the strawberry one. Very pretty tags. Super cool labels. Lots of ephemera. Some fussy cuts. And then we have some apples. Little girl picking some apples off an apple tree. We have apple pie, apple recipe page from a really super old recipe book. And then, of course, we have butterflies, bumblebees. I really love this round and the labels. Super cool. More bumblebees. Lots of little fussy cuts for embellishing and making clusters. Really like that journal card. And then we have this super cool honeycomb pocket, so it all folds together, and 2 pages back, let me show you. That's the journaling card for it, which is kind of a version of what you'll see on the inside, so when you pull the card out, you'll see that. Super old cigarette card. And then we move on to veggies. Really love this. Big pocket. Be cool as a flip out, or even just as a large pocket in the center of a page. Some really cool tickets. Labels. Tons of ephemera. This is still bees here. We have all our veggies. She looks tired. Another big pocket. Lovely labels. Journaling card. And we have our roosters, chickens. And more rooster and chicken. And we have some melons and squash. And there are, I forget, like 4 or 5 seed packets throughout the kit. And they all work, like to put them together. This is the back. And yeah, I really like them. And we have our butternut squash recipe there. More squash. Super cool labels. Some fussy cuts. Sunflowers. More sunflower. Super cool belly band right here. I really like that. The guest check. Super pretty labels. We have our herbs. Cool labels on that one too. And there's some more of our seed packets. Chives and thyme. A couple of small journaling cards. And then we have a little girl and an old-fashioned garden. Big, large envelope with some pretty flowers that match a couple of the other pages in the journal pages. And then some really pretty labels. And there's her again as a journal card. There's another journal card, some ephemera. Super pretty pockets journal card. A journal card in the same pattern, some roses. I really like her. She's got the big watering can. She's watering her flowers. Love this label. And some more fussy cuts. And then we have another strip of tickets with flowers, butterflies, bumblebee, some more ephemera. And then we have another journaling card, some mushrooms, bird, baking piece of ephemera, and that is it. So that is the huge Kit 3 Summer Bounties series, and this kit is the embellishments and ephemera and fussy cuts. I hope you like it. You can find the link for all the other kits in the description box below. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.